The very mention of cryptocurrency is polarizing. Some people see volatility, others see scams.
Some people see returns and opportunities. What we see is the birth of a new asset class.
Welcome to Clanz. Hi, I'm Ray Ridgway, one of the founders of Clanz.
And I'm Michael Collar, the CEO of Clanz.
Today, we're not asking you to buy Bitcoin.
We're asking you to invest in the future of asset management. At Clanz, we're a team of C-suite professionals with over 100 years of experience in financial services. What we're going to be doing is turning all of that experience to solving problems in the digital asset management space.
We're inviting you to get involved on the ground level of an Australian startup that's trying to bridge the gap between traditional investing and cryptocurrencies.
You see, we believe that crypto and digital assets will form a new kind of asset class alongside equities, fixed income, and property. So we approach this very much as an investment product, not some get-rich-quick scheme.
We're already releasing smart products that make investing in crypto simple for anyone.
But perhaps more importantly, what we are doing is developing investment strategies, thought leadership, risk modeling, and other services to help wholesale and institutional clients invest in digital assets effectively and safely. Given the size of these markets in Australia, we think this is a massive opportunity for Clanz.
Clanz was approved for its digital currency exchange registration in 2021. We've already secured an Australian credit license, which means we can lend money against your digital wealth. We have also secured our seed funding raise.
In April of this year, we launched our first product to market, an exchange that allowed our clients to trade in cryptocurrencies. But more importantly, in August, we have a wonderful new product coming to market, which is thematic investment strategies. And we have a long product roadmap thereafter of different kinds of investment products that we'd like to deliver to market.
We've been appointed as a corporate authorized representative, meaning we're not just a crypto exchange, we're also a financial services provider.
Recent volatility in crypto markets over the past 6 months has actually been a positive for Clanz. It has highlighted the need from investors for trusted thought leadership, risk management, and investment strategies. As the market is primed for the next wave of adoption, we think this will be a massive opportunity for Clanz.
The acceptance of crypto as a new digital asset class in financial services is growing. Our experienced team has a large amount of relationships across the industry.
This raise will see us continue to expand our product range and to make crypto smarter and more accessible for investors. We will expand our product range to include copy trading, AI and smart bots, and we have plans to acquire 10,000 Australian customers onto our investment platform by the end of the year, as well as expanding our presence internationally. Whether you're a millennial or not, whether you're a crypto fan or a skeptic, if you believe in the future of digital asset management, then come and join us.
Invest today.